Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the Equity Management Academy Live Trading Room. This segment is sponsored by the Equity Management Academy. On this report, we're going to focus primarily on a report that we published in Trader Planet on December 16, in which we talk about the Fibonacci. What is Fibonacci telling us about gold? And on this report, basically, I was quoted that since the high of 1378, we have come down all the way almost to a 78.6 Fibonacci correction. And the majority of the times when the market comes down to these levels, it usually signifies a completion of a pattern. The closer you can buy into the 78.6 retracement, the lower the risk. And I recommended placing a stop at 1116, which is the highest basically probability for marking a price reversal. And this was published on December 16, and obviously if we take a look on December 15, the low came in at 1124, and the following day the market closed at 1136.80. So we were carrying this long position with a stop at 1116. This was a recommendation that we published in using the Fibonacci retracement completion as close to the 78.6% retracement. If we take a look on the chart here, since then we have basically risen to a high today in gold of 1190.60. And on the report, we recommended the market basically potentially could rally up to about 1198, which is the first Fibonacci level of resistance that we have been able to identify. When we add the individual algorithms that we have here, and we compare the daily algorithms, coming into the market today, we published last night, 1190 was the level to sell, the sell one level of the VC code on the daily, excuse me, on the daily indicators. But what we find interesting and what we call harmonics is when the daily harmonically matches the weekly indicators, and in this case, 1190. Coming into today, we pretty much prepared ourselves that 1190 is the level of harmonics that occurs. And I think when you look at the high today of 1190.60, we decided to recommend liquidating up here partial profits, take partial profits on your intermediate trends or position or portfolio that you may be carrying. There is a very high probability that we could test even a little more levels higher up into that 1200 to 1208 even. But more than likely what appears is that up here we are finding supply. We've seen a rally from a low of 1124.30 to a high of 1190.60. That's a pretty good sizable move. And for us, it's given us an indication to take some profits up here, go neutral, and wait for a signal once again to resume the uptrend of this intermediate signal for the price of gold. If you like any further information on the work that I do and the work that we do here live in the trading room, please give me a call. No obligation, 805 area code 418-1744. Or you can email me directly at support at ema2trade.com, or check us out on Facebook at ema2trade.com. This is Patrick MontesDeOca once again. Thank you for the opportunity to share this information with you. Until next time, my friends, be well. Take care. Good trading.